Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have to move and stack some firewood. We're going to use a skid loader and kind of consolidate a pile. I've had probably 15-16 cords roll out of here this year, and what's left I need to move out of the way so I can get some more logs in and process them and kind of divide it up into the stuff that's been cut and split to the new stuff that's cut and split, so I'm not mixing unseasoned and seasoned wood. Anyway, stay tuned, follow along, here we go. All right, we got that stacked. I'll give you a walk around my wood yard and show you what I got and what I got left to do to get ready for spring and open up some spots for some new logs that come in. So we'll start back here. This here is a white oak. Believe it or not, was a tree that was next door to my bedroom as a kid growing up. And that's what's left of it. Some other stuff mixed in. And then those big monsters right there were the trunk, straight white oak. I think we're gonna send those to the mill, make some lumber out of them. So all this little stuff here, this lap wood, I think is gonna get cut up and not even split, probably just tossed right into my outdoor wood boiler. Then over here we got some big, ugly, nasty, gnarly looking stuff. This is the stuff you get from the tree services that you take because, you know, you need a supply of wood and you got to take what they give you. Another little pile of really dry stuff. It's probably going to go into my boiler. I'd really like to get for that skid loader is a splitter for the end of it that I can just pick up some of these. These are some straighter poles. Well, maybe not. Maybe some more knotty ones on the back. Who knows? Yeah, kind of ugly. Another big monster. This is a pile of big uglies, I call it. This is kind of where I just start stacking stuff that, you know, you just don't want to deal with. That I keep procrastinating and procrastinating and procrastinating. But you know, that's some pretty pretty big rounds, and kind of the only way to get through those is to noodle them with a chainsaw down into a quarter. But all right, so this is the stack of logs that I have left to do. On the one side, some nice timber in here. A lot of these are really nice and straight. Not a ton of knots in them. Should be easy. There's one big ugly there on the bottom. That's just probably gonna get put in that pile over there when I get to it. There's some nice cherry logs in there. I thought about splitting those up. I don't know if anybody's done that. Leave a comment. But if anybody's chopped that stuff into little tiny chunks and sold it to the guys smoking meats with you know, like a smoker type thing. I thought about maybe trying to do something like that, but anyway, that was half of it. Here's the other half, and this pile I think I'm probably going to start on first. I forget who it was, maybe Brad at Firewood or the Furnace, or somebody that said do a little bit at a time, make some progress, feel good about yourself. Well, I tend to buck up you know, 20 cords, and then I just stare at it thinking I got to split it, and it just gets put off. But here's the second pile. Some nice stuff in there, really nice size to split. Should go quick, except for a couple of these monsters on the bottom, but not bad with a skid loader. I can at least move them. And here's a pile of big uglies. It's a lot of firewood. That one right there, I think it's probably been down for 3 or 4 years now, and just haven't felt like fooling with it. But maybe this year's the year. Now that I'm filming this stuff and you guys are watching, stay on me to get it done. So next week we're supposed to get snow on Sunday. This is the pile of rounds that I've got already bucked up and ready to split. And what I typically do is I grab the skid loader, put the forks on it. I bring the Timberwolf TW5 out, and I'll set it like right here, and then pull off that pile and split, and then take the skid loader and push it into the bin, which I think I need some more cinder blocks, make it a little bigger. But that was literally filled all the way across and out about 15 feet at the beginning of the season. I'm not sure how many cords were in there, but quite a bit. And anyway, it's that time of year, got to get on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next week.